Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This is Kavya. Is this Kavya or Sanskriti?
Yes,
Ma'am is
ma'am.
Okay. How are you?
Ma'am, fine.
ma'am good.
Good. But tired of these classes? No online classes? Or happy with the online classes? Hmm?
Ma'am, happy in offline classes.
Okay. I know, I know. So, children, this is your history class. As I told you the other day, I'll be taking history with you people now. So, be ready with your books. We'll start the new chapter of history. That is the first chapter of history. That is the French Revolution. Right? Right, class? And
Yes, ma'am.
we'll wait for
Yes,
just
ma'am.
2 minutes. We'll take 2 minutes to take everybody in the meeting. Be ready with your books, okay? Okay. By the time others are coming, let me share the screen with you. Hmm, Class 9 history, right? Why is it showing Hindi? We want English. Can you all see the screen, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine,
Yes, ma'am.
fine. This is Roma, I believe.
Yes, ma'am.
How are you?
Ma'am, I'm fine. Thank you.
Okay. What do you know about your history this year? Do you know anything about your history book this year?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Actually,
it's
ma'am.
foreign.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Yes,
it's foreign history.
it's foreign history. Yes, you can
Yes,
say
ma'am.
it is about foreign history, about world history, you can say, right? It is about world history, and
Yes, ma'am.
what particularly in this world history you are going to read? Do you
Ma'am,
know?
French Revolution.
You are going to read French Revolution, okay. Then you are going to read Russian Revolution, and you are going to read the rise of Nazism. Especially, you are going to read about, how Nazism rose to power, and how Hitler rose to power in Germany after the First World War's defeat, right?
Ma'am, events and process.
These are all events and processes that you are going to read. And then you have about then what do you have?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. This is Shreya. Is this Shreya? Hmm? Okay. Then you are going to read about, nationalism. You are going to read about the forest society in India. If you remember class 8th, we read about the tribal revolts.
Yes, ma'am.
है ना? याद है ना आप लोगों को? So in the tribal revolts,
Yes, ma'am.
we read that how, the forest people, the tribals, they revolted against the British because of the unlawful acts that were implemented by the British, only to gain power over the forest areas, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. So what else do you know about the history this year that you have? हाँ जी, बताओ भाई. बेटा बताओ.
Ma'am, just a minute.
Okay. Parth, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ma'am, events and processes, livelihoods, economics and society.
नहीं देखो, अच्छा अब हम मोटा मोटा बताते हैं आपको. We'll be exclusively reading about the revolution. ये तो आपने बता दिया हम लोगों को, ठीक है. अब इसमें ये revolution.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes बेटा बताओ.
Ma'am, last year, as we read about French Revolution and East India Company, so on that time, ma'am, we learned a short paragraph. So, ma'am, this time we will have maybe whole chapter about that, how it came, what are the things that happened in that time. So
Yes.
maybe these things can be there.
Yes, very good. We are going to read in detail about everything that you have read in your previous classes. Though French Revolution and Russian Revolution were never part of your, histories, but then I think in class 7th or in class, yes, in class 7th, in the first chapter that you had, this history, the medieval India. In that, the references were there of French Revolution and the Russian Revolution, right?
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ, you had references, तो वो तो चलो ठीक है. वो now why why French Revolution only, or why Russian Revolution only? Why not any other revolution? Can you tell?
Ma'am, maybe ma'am, because these are the only country or ma'am revolutionaries who came in India and ma'am ma'am they
No.
just
Parth, they never came to India. They never came to India.
okay,
The only thing that we know, we are going to read in these revolutions, is because the motive with which these revolutions were undertaken, there was a strong meaning behind that. Plus, these revolutions, led a path for other countries to follow for the nation state, right? I'll come to this nation state wala thing little later. I hope this much is clear to all of you.
yes ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
We are basically going to read that, what, anybody who knows anything about the French Revolution, एक general question, हिंदी में जिसको हम फ्रांस की क्रांति बोलते हैं, तो क्या आप में से कोई भी फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के बारे में जानता है कुछ? हाँ,
Ma'am, I'm not confirm about that answer, but
you can always give a try.
ma'am, maybe they came. Ma'am, that means ma'am, maybe it is called as so they can come and they can have a trade between the countries and all, and they can form a rulership in the country.
Come again, maybe.
Uh, like ma'am, they maybe ma'am they want to trade between the countries and they want to put the ma'am they ma'am like rulership in India and all.
चलो ठीक है. फ्रेंच भाई देखो, हमारे कंट्री में फ्रेंच कॉलोनीज तो एस्टेब्लिश्ड थी, ठीक है, वो तो हम नहीं मना करेंगे. बट जब जिस समय फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन हुआ, उस टाइम पे देयर वाज नो सच सीन. ठीक है, ठीक है बेटा.
Okay ma'am.
एनीबॉडी एल्स
Yes
हु वांट टू गिव इट अ ट्राई अबाउट फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन? कुछ तो पढ़ा होगा बेटा आप लोगों ने फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन के बारे में.
Yes, ma'am. I've heard some people
Yes,
saying
Yes, Roma, tell बेटा.
that the women were angry with the government, so they came down and burned down the workshops and something like this.
Okay, very good. Right. See, the main reason behind French Revolution was the women, they got angry because of certain, I think if you remember in the previous class, like a previous year in one of the classes, I told you about this, that, uh, in France, simultaneously, things were taking place one after another because of the subsistence crisis that was there in the country. Population was growing, but the the monarch who was there, he could not keep a pace with the demands of the rising food because of the growing population. So what happened, the food prices were going high. There was, because of the extreme cold conditions, much of production could not take place. Now ultimately, because of this, what happened, when see, when the children were dying of hunger, many of the women, they felt that they should go to the queen and speak to her, because they felt that generally it is said that the women, they are quite emotional, they have a very soft corner, right, for their
Yes,
people.
ma'am.
So when these women, they went to Queen Austria, she was the Austrian princess. Her name was Maria Antoinette, right? Now, when these women, they went to her, they said, Queen, our children are dying of hunger, what to do? So you know what she replied? She said, oh, they are dying of hunger. They don't have bread to eat. So why don't you give them cake to eat? And listening to this reply, they all got furious, because see, earning bread was still easy, but getting a baked cake was little difficult. Cakes were more costlier than the breads. So that is why they got angry, and ultimately, they thought of revolting against this. They said that when the queen is so heartless, when she hardly has, feelings for her people, why should we take their rule over us? So this particular event plus 2-3 more events were there, which led to the complete, intolerance of the people, and ultimately they declared revolt against the monarch who was ruling at that time. He was from the Bourbon dynasty, and his name was Louis XVI, King Louis XVI, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So in this chapter, you are going to read about right? I hope this much is clear.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So in this
Yes,
French
ma'am.
Revolution, we are going to read about France as a country. What was the society set up in France? How these people, because of the conditions there that were there during that time, led to the French Revolution.
Excuse me, ma'am.
जी बेटा.
Ma'am, this year also you will teach us from history.
हाँ बेटा, अभी तक तो यही है बच्चे. कुछ चेंज होता है तो
And that's great.
Really?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
ठीक है, चलो, वो नहीं है बेटा, पढ़ाएगा तो जो भी पढ़ाएगा अच्छे से पढ़ाएगा. चलिए अब anything else you want to know, or shall we start directly with the chapter?
Ma'am, directly chapter we can start.
Okay,
Then you
fine.
can start directly chapter.
I think we have 10th B also, 9th B also coming with us. So let us take them in. ठीक है? तो 2 मिनट दो आप हमें. I'll take them in.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Pradyunsh. How are you?
Ma'am, Karthik.
Acha, Karthik?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Karthik. Your voice is resembling someone else's voice. Okay. We have
Okay,
Sanjay also
madam.
in the class.
Good
ये
morning,
समीर
ma'am.
यादव कौन है भाई? समीर यादव कोई न्यू एडमिशन है बच्चे?
Ma'am, Sameer Yadav.
हम्म.
Ma'am, I heard the name first time.
अच्छा, he's a new admission.
Yes, ma'am. He's new admission.
Okay.
And now one more boy, Adarsh Kashyap. He is also a new admission.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am, job.
बच्चे, this is your civics period, but now I will not be taking civics with you. But so this is an arrangement, I believe.
Ma'am, I will take.
हाँ जी बेटा.
Ma'am,
I
history?
will take.
I am taking history right now. So we'll do history only.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta. Pradyush.
Ma'am, in the geography question answers, ma'am, I want to ask that, ma'am, last answer you had said, ma'am, we need to define the word subcontinent, Saturn meridian, Oriental world, and Indian mainland, ma'am,
Yes.
from the glossary at the end, ma'am. But ma'am,
Yes.
some words are not there in glossary.
Don't worry,
Like
we will discuss them.
Oriental world.
Don't worry, we will discuss them in the class. The other day, Anoki also messaged me, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So don't worry for that. We'll do it. Okay. Keep your books ready with you. We are going to start with history.
Ma'am, do you remember?
Do you remember
Ma'am, that formula.
that 360-degree one?
Yes, ma'am.
Of course I do. we have, I think today we have a geography. Wait, I have a geography class also with you most probably.
Yes, sir.
So geography we will discuss in that class, right?
We have a lot of geography today.
I think we have.
Ma'am, we do not have timetable. We didn't have geography today. Ma'am, bio we have.
बेटा कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, अभी जैसे civics period था हमारा तो नहीं था, but still you are merged in the class, it is okay. So in one of the classes maybe you will be merged, right? Chalo, shall we start with the chapter?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Acha, one thing I forgot to tell you, class. We have only 4 chapters in history out of 5, right? Some of you must be having the old reprint issue and some must be having the new edition of the chapter. So those who have the new edition of the chapter, they must be having only 4 chapters. They must be having only 5 chapters, and the ones who have the old issue.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Huh?
Ma'am, which chapter is removed?
Let me see the content of this.
There are
Ma'am,
5 chapter given. 2 sections, 5 chapters.
Do you have content like this in your book? Tell bacha.
Ma'am, in the old book, ma'am, there are 5 chapters.
There are 5 chapters.
Yes, ma'am, in the old book.
Okay, can you see the screen? Can you look at the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we have raised. See, the first chapter of history is the French Revolution. Can you see what is written?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. See, as you can see on the screen, the contents are given over here. In these contents, the first 3 chapters that you have in the first section, that is the French Revolution, Socialism in Europe and the Russian Revolution, Nazism and the rise of Hitler. These 3 chapters are mandatory. You have to have these chapters. Then in the second part, second section that you have, just a second, this livelihoods, economies and societies, out of the 4th and the 5th chapter, only 1 chapter we have to take. And rest
Ma'am,
of
which one?
forest society and colonialism we will do, because we have already done this chapter in class 8, right? The tribal revolts that we had. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So the last 3 chapters, clothing, a social history, history and sports, the story of cricket, peasants and farmers. These 3 chapters are deleted from your syllabus permanently. Fine, children.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm sorry, ma'am. Can you speak the chapters again?
Can
Ma'am,
I tell
names
you?
which are
Yes,
deleted.
yes. See, we have the first 3 chapters of the first section mandatorily.
Yes,
These
ma'am.
cannot be deleted. Then out of 4th and 5th chapter, any one we have to take. So we are taking chapter 4, that is forest society and colonialism. Right?
Ma'am, 5th chapter is deleted.
fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, we are not taking up. Okay,
Okay. Thank you.
fine. Okay. Now coming to the chapter. Jaskirat, are you there? Jaskirat,
Please
Yes,
mute your
ma'am.
mic.
Yes, ma'am.
can you read events and processes over here, which is given?
Please, sir,
What, ma'am?
it's a request. Please mute your mic.
Events and processes in section 1, you will read about the French Revolution. This part I want you to read. If you could read this for me.
Okay.
Huh.
Ma'am, this events and process is also a part of the chapter.
Events and processes is the name of the section that we are doing. Okay, it is the name of the section, because in the all the 3 chapters that we have, various events they have discussed about, various processes that happened during that particular time period. They are discussing about that. Padho beta Jaskirat.
Yeah, ma'am. In the French Revolution,
Huh.
on the morning of 14 July 1789, the city of Paris was in a state
Ma'am,
of
the
alarm.
definition of events and processes.
What beta?
Ma'am, we have to read this events and processes.
Huh. Let us read. It will give you a outlook of what we are going to read exactly in the chapter. Carry on beta.
The king had commanded troops to move into the
Ma'am,
city.
he is reading wrong.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we
बेटा,
just have to read French Revolution.
जसकीरत आपको इवेंट्स एंड प्रोसेसेस जो कंटेंट के बाद वाला एक पेज है उस पे पढ़ना है. इवेंट्स एंड प्रोसेसेस इन सेक्शन 1.
Okay, ma'am. In section 1, you will read the French Revolution and the Russian Revolution and the rise of Nazism in different ways. All these events were important in the making of modern world. Chapter 1 is on French Revolution. Today, we often take the ideas of liberty, freedom, and equality for granted. But we need to remind ourselves that these ideas also have a history. By looking at French Revolution, you will read a small part of history. The French Revolution led to the end of monarchy in France. A society based on privileges gave way to a new system of governance. The Declaration of Rights of Men during the Revolution announced the coming of new time. The idea that all individuals had rights and could claim equality became, became part of new language of politics. These nations of equality and freedom emerged as the central idea of new age. But in different countries, they were reinterpreted and rethought in many different ways. The anti-colonial movement in India and China, Africa and South Africa produced ideas that were innovative and original, but they spoke in a language that gained currency only from the late 18th century. In chapter 2, you will read about the coming socialism in Europe and the democratic event that follows in the ruling of monarchs. Tsar Nicholas II to give up power. The Russian Revolution sought to change society in different ways. It raised the question of economic equality and the well-being workers, peasants, and the chapter will tell you about changes of initiated by new Soviet government, the problem it faced and measures it undertook, while Soviet Russia pushed ahead with industrial and mechanization of agriculture. It gained the right of citizens that were essential to the working of democratic society. The ideas of socialization,
Socialism.
however, became socialism, however, became the part of anti-colonial movement in different countries. Today, the Soviet Union has broken up. The socialism is in crisis, but for the 20th century, it has been a powerful force of shaping of contemporary world. Chapter 3 will take Germany. It will discuss rise of Hitler and the politics of Nazism. You will read about the children and the women in Nazi Germany, about schools and concentration camps. You will see how Nazis denied various minorities a right of to live, how it drew upon the long tradition and the anti-Jewish feeling to persuade the Jews, and how it waged the sorry, relentless battle against the democracy and about the massacres and the killing. It is about the working of elaborate and fighting system which operated the different level. Some of India were impressed with the idea of Hitler, but most watched the rise of Nazi with horror. The history of modern world is not simply a story of unfolding of freedom and democracy. It has also been a story of violence and tyranny, death and destruction.
Okay, fine. So what have you understood? Yes, can you tell what have you understood from this?
Ma'am, we understood
There
what
is
chapters we'll be learning about in chapter 1, 2, and 3.
Yes.
First one is about French Revolution. Second one is about the Russian Revolution. The third one is about Nazism.
Fine. So in the French Revolution, what exactly we are going to read about?
Ma'am, how
Ma'am,
the
ma'am,
French Revolution
end of
led to the end of
monarchy has
monarchy.
Let Anoki speak first. Yes, Anoki.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I was saying that in this chapter we'll be learning about how the French Revolution led to the end of monarchy in France.
And also, what else?
Ma'am, we'll be learning of how they ma'am, how they brought about that citizens could also have their own rights. Ma'am,
Yes.
how basically they went towards their own freedom.
Right. See, this chapter basically deals with, several problems that were there in the society, in the countries at that time. Like if we talk about, those time periods when no country was known by a specific name, where only the rulers were there. Of course, the countries were there, but then majorly they were known by the kingdoms that governed them, right? So France was also one such country where the Bourbon rulers, they had ruled over a long period of time, and how the autocratic rule of the Bourbon kings, led to the discontentment of the people, and ultimately they thought of bringing certain changes in the society setup. Moreover, at that time, if we go in the if we talk about the society setup was such that it was divided into classes. There were estates in the Europe at that time, where the people were divided into estates, right? And in because of this estate division only, the society setup that was there in the before the revolution, this society setup was also one reason why people had to revolt against the monarch. Then, because in wherever the rulers were there or the kings were ruling, people had no specific rights over anything. Like in the present time, we own property, we have certain assets with us. During that time, people, the general citizens, those who were there, they had no right over the property. Nobody had the right to have private properties. Everything that was in the country was belonged to the king, and until king demands for it, we were at the mercy, the people, the citizens were at the mercy of the king. They could not claim control over any specific thing, any area, any territory, any region, any specific place where people lived. They were not sure that for how long they are going to stay over there. maybe the king demands for that particular place or for particular area for countries, need for the security purpose, or for, just fulfilling the needs of the general public. So perforce the person had to hand over that particular area to the king or his people. So there was no certainty that where I am residing at present will be with me for lifelong, right? So these were the certain issues which people had, faced at that time. And moreover, people had no, voting rights. Political equality was not there, right? There are all these kind of things we are going to read under the French Revolution. And it is a very interesting revolution. Reason being, it, made people realize the society system which was there, the kingdom, the kings, those who were ruling, they made people realize their worth. And they also, these when these people, they come unitedly, when they fought for their rights, they could, gain whatever they demanded for, only because they all fought for it unitedly. Had there been, segregations, or, if the demands were different, if the concerns were different, they would have never attained this, equality, liberty, or the freedom thing that we actually, have. Like we say, no, कि आप मेरी आजादी को ऐसे नहीं कर सकते हो. When our parents, they try to become, to force certain things on us, we retaliate. We say, no, we are not going to do this. You don't know, we are in a free country, we can do whatever we feel like. Sometimes we retaliate like this. But at that time, during those days, people were not supposed to say like this, because they were the subject of the king. They had no identity of their own. They were known only because of the rulers, because of the king, because of the monarch, right? Right, class?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
It's a very interesting chapter. I think we'll be able to start it in the next class only. Hardly time is left. So whatever time is left, let me tell you, see, when we read the chapter through the book, page to page, you may not get exactly an idea that what exactly you are reading. How many of you have read this first or second page of the chapter? Has anybody started it?
Ma'am, I.
Yes. So were you able to understand after first reading?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So tell me what exactly you have understood from the first page.
Ma'am, it's ma'am. Over here, the stories, ma'am. There were.
Your voice is not clear, Pradyunsh.
Ma'am, now it's coming.
Now it's coming. Tell me.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, there were a king, ma'am, Bourbon 16, ma'am, Louis 16, ma'am. He has sent his army on 14 July 1789 on Paris, ma'am. And the people over there, the locals who were there, they had thought that they had came here to attack on us and bully us, but it was sent for another reason. Therefore, the locals had opened fire upon the citizens, and people from the military of their own for the supply and the for ammunition. They had attacked on the fortress prison on the Bastille. There were prisons were kept over there.
Prisoners were kept over there, yes.
Yeah, ma'am. And over there, ma'am, the commander of Bastille was killed. And ma'am, the stones of there, the stones, ma'am, the stones which were, ma'am, designed were sold in the market. As the मैम निशानी मैम वहाँ की निशानी रहनी चाहिए डिस्ट्रक्शन की, इसके लिए मैम उसे बेच दिया गया था. And ma'am, after that, ma'am, they started protesting against the price of bread, which were their own problem. Afterwards, they came to know that the king has sent for another reason. They have not sent for the attack on the local peoples.
Exactly. See, the first page tells you the opening scene, that it is morning of 14 July. The city of Paris was in a state of alarm. Why it was in a state of alarm? Because the king had commanded troops to move into the city. Why was this done? Because there were rumors that the army was ordered to open fire upon the citizens. Why this order had come? Because the king was informed that some of the people, some approximately 70